More oil on this side. It's almost ready. Pay attention, everyone. The time has come to start the great celebration.
The guests will love this plov.
Are the spices ready for the Besh Qozon? We need everything precise.
Yes, chef. All measured and ready to go in.
The vegetables are sorted too. We are making the finest plov for the celebration. This is Besh Qozon. The meat is ready for the next stage. Bring the vegetables over here now.
Yes, chef, right away.
The aroma is incredible. Smell that spice.
Look at the color of the zirvak.
Sekin. Oshga baraka.
Careful with the rice, make sure it doesn't stick.
We need more trays over here. Quickly now.
Watch out, coming through.
Easy now, easy.
Look at that steam, it's perfect.
A feast for the whole village.
Look at the size of that kazan.
I know, I can't wait to taste the osh.
The lagman bowls go here, next to the salads.
Make sure the stacks are even. We are almost ready for the guests.
Time is up. Steam is ready. Lift the lid carefully now.
The feast is ready. Welcome to Besh Qozon.
Look at the size of that. Let's eat, everyone.
Welcome, enjoy the Besh Qozon Pilaf.
Thank you. We appreciate your generosity.
Here you are, freshly made pilaf from Besh Qozon. Enjoy the meal.
Thank you so much. It looks wonderful.
Hooray! Besh Qozon!